Good morning, this is Zach at Auto Assets. This is the 2023 718 Boxster Spyder. Arctic gray, Bordeaux red leather, matching Bordeaux red soft top. Pilot Sport 4S tires. And 20-inch Spyder wheels. Sport exhaust, active rear spoiler. Do a cold start here. $12,240 miles currently. No scratches, no dents. On the Carfax, it was reported as a minor to the rear bumper. I can't get a paint meter reading because it's a plastic bumper, but the paint's excellent shape, so I can't say if it was a scratch or if it was an entire rear bumper repaint, but it looks fantastic. So it was definitely done by a professional. Open up those exhaust valves. With the two computer systems that we have, I was not able to pull the DME report for the over-rev, but my technician Jason, who will be back on Monday, has another computer. He said he can pull a DME. So I will get that for you first thing Monday morning as soon as I get in. And the vehicle's welcome to go to any dealership here in Central Ohio for a pre-purchase inspection if you'd like to do that. We do not mind at all. We will facilitate it getting to the dealership and getting back to the dealership. Thanks for your time. Please let me know if you have any questions or if there's anything else you need as far as a video. I'm happy to help.